guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we have a sponsorship from Coverado, which are seat covers. They sent me out a complete set for Electra, my 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. Now, I'm not a big fan of seat covers normally, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but these are direct fit ones, so they're supposed to almost be like the seat. I've seen these before and I know that they should fit like top notch. I need these particularly for him. I have like an enclosure thing in the back of my truck for him, and honestly I kind of hate it because anytime I want somebody to go in the back of my truck, I gotta remove it, and it's just kind of a pain in the butt. So these are definitely going to be nice. The only thing that I am a little concerned about is my heated seat going to go through these? We'll find out. But once you take them out of like the shipping box, this is how they're going to come. You're going to have your instructions, your covers and everything. I mean, pretty nice packaging. Not gonna lie to you guys get this nice little bag and stuff. I could probably reuse this bag for something else after the fact, but get these all opened up and I'll show you guys what exactly we have here. Guys, so this is one of the front covers. It looks like it just like slides over the seat, and then I know there's like clips that attach the bungee cords at the bottom there to there, to, you know, hold everything tight. But this is like very nice. You got the pockets in the back of the seat. Very nice quality with the leather and everything, I must say. I do like this like diamond stitch type thing going on in the middle. Definitely looks pretty cool. But yeah, so this is a front. I would assume we probably have another front one somewhere here. Right here. Nope, this is a piece of the back seat. This is another piece of the back seat. This is actually the bigger back seat that you have in the back. This here is the bottom of the back seat. And we got the smaller back seat in the back. This is the other front one right here. It also looks like you have cubbies possibly there too. Let me see. Yep. So you'll have cubbies on both sides. I don't believe I have cubbies on both sides on the seats right now. I think only one side has it. I think the passenger side is the only one. And you got your headrest, you know, covers, all that type of stuff. And we do have these, I believe, for the front and back, I would assume. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Yeah, so it looks like we have those for the front and back. And then this will be your jump seat if you have one of them. I don't have one of them, so we're not going to use that portion of it, but these are what I was talking about to hook everything together, keep everything tight. It's pretty much like the hardware. But yep, I'm going to get them tossed on and we'll see what they actually look like. These little things have me a little confused. You have to like, it's like split here and here. You got to like feed this into the center so it attaches like this. You're going to put your hooks on these to like hold everything tight. So yeah, but it does look really nice so far, at least. I was saying with the center console cover, this has a business center console. This is not meant for this. That's why it's like protruding here. But I'm sure if you have a jump seat, I'm sure this will probably fit perfectly. I wanted to just see, because I was like, look, if I can make it work, I mean, I'll use it. But clearly I can't even close this. So clearly I can't use it. But if you have a jump seat, you'll be able to use that. And it also comes with the bottom, you know, cover like these. So, you know, I can't use it, but you guys probably will. All right, so I can confirm the heated seat, which is on right now. I do feel it through the seat cover, so we're good there. And yeah, I'm about to put the backs, the passenger, and we can finally get rid of Buster's monstrosity over there. Guys, so here's the fitment on the back seat. Very nice, very nice. Fits very well. I got in and out of the car already a couple times in the front, and the seat cover doesn't move or anything, which is really good. That's one of the main reasons why I don't normally, you know, use seat covers, because I hate that. I hate when they move. So that's very nice that this doesn't move like that. Like I said, the back seat's done, this front seat's done. I'm about to do that front seat, and we'll see what they look like all said and done. All right, guys, well, there you have it. These are very nice. They fit very well. Got, you know, the passenger, the driver, everything there, and then we have the whole entire back seat, which the back seat was the most you know, beneficial to me just because of my dog. So just to protect my leather interior, because you guys know this Laramie seats are not exactly easy to come by in a junkyard. They're usually gone when you go, so definitely want to take care of them. And then plus two, if you guys remember, I replaced the bottom seat cushion on this, and the color didn't match between the back and the bottom. It wasn't like terrible, but it wasn't the same. So now it matches. So plus for everybody, that's for sure. Enjoyed today's video, please drop a like up on this video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Guys, remember Coverado, shout out to them for sponsoring today's video for me. And go grab yourself some seat covers. They make them for all makes and models. You just got to go on their website, and I'm pretty sure they'll have something for you. They also do like heated seats, stuff like that, which is pretty cool too. So yeah, check them out. Discount code Dylan's Garage at checkout will get you 10% off anything on their website. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed. Peace out. Later.